insane?
Warren DZ,
it's your boy Calligraphy,
Kid Ninja, JR, where you at? Star Fam on the track, say what?
see, all the fellas out there gon' relate to this one. You know what I mean?
Warren DZ, tell him how you feel. Blazing weed, dropping pills just to ease the stress. Haven't got an hour's sleep since you left. I wanna acknowledge you with a hug and a kiss. I'd rather fight with you than fuck another bitch. You left me alone, walked out of my world. 3 missed calls, but no, my baby girl. Now my heart is drained. You was right to die. I feel so cold, but I'm burning inside. If I could, I'd be a burden, just fly away. She got me smoking 27s, 2 packs a day. Now my heart is locked, and I threw away the key. Cause deep down inside, I know I'm still a G. The girl that plays hard to get always gets my heart, but I usually fall for the girl that tears it apart. Now I feel like my life just flipped. Middle finger screaming out, fuck you, bitch.
Is it gonna be what it seems? Cause baby, I can't believe you're just gonna leave me after all the things we've been through. Girl, can't you hear me crying out just to be with you? So tell me what's the deal, cause this can't be real.
So I'm sitting here, wishing at the skies. Can't stand the pain, so they dripping down my eyes. Shit's so bad that the draw ain't even helping me to ease my mind. We both know that there's way more to this. Trying so hard, but we ain't getting shit. This more than just another heartbreak or a cold shoulder. Best believe that I ain't just gon' let it be over. We can't let time waste, we only getting older. I ain't never been the type to cry, but for you I'ma swallow my pride. I'ma do all I can in order just to make what we have to survive. Face it, we both thinking bad, we need to be opposite. 2 negatives can't always be a positive. Now we gotta split like Twix chocolate.
Is it gonna be what it seems? Cause baby, I can't believe you're just gonna leave me after all the things we've been through. Girl, can't you hear me crying out just to be with you? So tell me what's the deal, cause this can't be real.
Where'd you go? Why'd you leave? Are we done? Is it me? Is it you or someone else? Why did you steal the key? You got me thinking about you, baby girl. I learned now. Give me a chance to give you what you learned. I'll remember it clearly. I'll remember the day you decided to get up and just walk away. Ever since I haven't been able to function normally without you being my girl. It's making me go crazy. Sometimes I look at my phone hoping you'll call, but I guess if it happens I would be in my dream world. Girl, I'm missing your touch and I miss my baby's kisses. You're the first girl that stayed true and remained the realest. Please, all I ask for is one more chance. I promise I'll prove to you that I'll change and will last. There's one more thing that I have to address. I failed the last quiz, but I promise I'll pass this test.
Is it gonna be what it seems? Cause baby, I can't believe you're just gonna leave me after all the things we've been through. Girl, can't you hear me